Greetings to all. I wish you a good life. My name is Sergio Ivano. Today we continue the course of lectures, The Alchemy of Thought and Being. This video tutorial is the complete and original version. To take the full course, follow the link on Patreon to our Academy Alchemy of Thought and Natural Magic, and subscribe to Level 2. Also, subscribe to Rumble and YouTube, where you will receive simplified video lectures and announcements of new lectures and the like. Only the first chapter will be published here in this format. The rest is only on Patreon Level 2. Well, now, we begin. Chapter 2, Basics of Remote Viewing. This chapter offers a practical overview of remote viewing fundamentals, principles, preparation, techniques, and step-by-step methods. Key principles are belief in obtaining information beyond the normal senses, maintaining neutrality, and following structured protocols. Success in remote viewing is based on regular meditation for relaxation, concentration exercises, and mental flexibility. Clear intention setting and focused attention are crucial, as is practical use of quantum tagging, using physical and temporal markers to tune into a target. Regular journaling, analyzing results, comparing impressions to factual data, and systematically practicing enhance accuracy and conscious abilities. Mastering remote viewing requires mental discipline, clear intent, and following stepwise methods. Ongoing practice and analysis lead to greater precision and expansion of mental faculties. Remote viewing is based on the concept that human consciousness can gain access to information beyond the physical limits of the body and the senses. For successful mastery of RV, it is important to understand and accept several key principles. 1. Concept of nonverbal knowledge. RV assumes obtaining information through the subconscious or intuition, bypassing typical logical processes. 2. Neutrality and openness. The practitioner should remain neutral and open to all information, avoiding bias and expectations. 3. Structure and protocols. Specific methodologies and steps exist to guide and structure the RV process, providing more accurate and reproducible results. Successful remote viewing requires a special mindset and mental state. Some steps for development. Meditation and relaxation. Regular meditation helps calm the mind and increase concentration. Start with simple techniques such as focusing on breathing or mantras. Body relaxation is also important. Practices such as progressive muscle relaxation help relieve physical tension. Concentration and attention. Practice exercises to improve concentration, such as watching a candle flame or repeating numeric sequences. Train the ability to maintain focus on a single object or thought over long periods. Mental flexibility and openness. Study techniques to enhance creativity and mental flexibility, such as visualization and free association. Remain open to new and unexpected experiences, avoiding rigid mental frames and prejudices. Intention and focus play a key role in remote viewing. Properly setting the intention and concentrating attention can significantly increase the accuracy and effectiveness of an RV session. 1. Defining and formulating intention. Intention is a clearly formulated goal or question for which you seek an answer. The clearer and more concrete the intention, the easier it is to focus on the needed information. Examples of intentions. What is inside the sealed envelope? What are the main events occurring at the specified location? What is hidden behind this door? 2. Focusing attention. Focus is the ability to keep your attention on the specific target or object throughout the session. Use mental focusing techniques, such as visualizing the object or mentally repeating the goal to strengthen focus. 3. Practices to strengthen intention and focus. Build discipline through regular exercises and RV sessions. Gradually increase task complexity. Add visualization and affirmation techniques to reinforce intention and concentration. The combination of a clear intention and sustainable focus is fundamental for successful remote viewing. These elements help guide mental energy where needed for more accurate and useful results. Remote viewing. Hidden techniques of remote viewing. Quantum tagging of the object in space and time. Quantum tagging of an object in space and time is a technique that uses various informational markers, photos, geolocation data, time structures, phone numbers, birth dates, documents, clothing parts to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of remote viewing. In this advanced guide, each technique is discussed in detail with practical steps for mastery. 1. Preparation. Required materials. Photographs. Photos of the object or place. Geolocation data. GPS coordinates or exact addresses. Time structures. Time markers, dates, historical events. Phone numbers. Phone numbers associated with the object. Birth dates. For people, date and place of birth. Documents. Important documents related to the object. Clothing. If applicable, elements of clothing belonging to the object. 2. Setting intentions. Defining the goal. Clearly identify the object or target of the remote viewing. It can be a place, object, person, or event. Use informational markers to focus on the target. 3. Entering a relaxed state relaxation methods. Meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and concentrate on your breathing. Breathe deeply to calm your mind. Visualization. Imagine a calm place and hold this image in your mind until you feel fully relaxed. 4. Quantum object tagging. Detailed methods. 1. Photographs. Studying the photo. Examine the object place photo carefully. Pay attention to details, colors, shapes, textures. Mental immersion. Close your eyes and try to imagine yourself inside the photo. Feel the atmosphere, sounds, and smells from the image. 2. Geolocation. Use coordinates. Enter coordinates into a map or app for visualization. Map visualization. Mentally move yourself to this place. Sense the surroundings. 3. Time structures. Identifying important dates. Define key dates related to the object or event. Time marker visualization. Imagine these dates as connected to the object. Sense what was happening at that time. 4. Phone numbers. Focus on number. Write down the related phone number. Repeat it to yourself several times. Using the number as an anchor. Imagine the phone number helps you connect with the object, as if it is a bridge. 5. Birth dates. Using personal data. For a person, use their date, place of birth. Mental connection. Visualize the birth date and imagine the person's energy and essence. 6. Documents and clothing. Studying objects. Examine documents or clothing related to the object. Focusing on objects. Imagine how these items are linked to the target. Sense their energetic connection. 5. Receiving impressions. Perception process. Enter a meditative state. Deeply relax and open your mind to impressions. Record information. Write down everything. Images, sounds, feelings, thoughts, without analyzing at first. Just fix it. 6. Recording and analysis. Recording methods. Keep a journal. Use it to record impressions, sketches, notes, or dictate them. Write freely without analysis. Independent analysis. After the session, review your notes and compare them to known facts. 7. Feedback and improvement. Improvement process. Check accuracy. Compare your notes to actual information to assess the reliability of your impressions. Analyze successes and mistakes. Determine what worked and what did not, using it to improve skills. Consistent practice. Practice regularly to develop your abilities and precision. And the next lecture is called Chapter 3, Esoteric Philosophy of Intentions. Attention! Don't forget to follow the Patreon link to our Alchemy of Thought and Natural Magic Academy and subscribe to Level 2. Also, subscribe to Rumble and YouTube, where you'll find simplified video lectures, announcements of new lectures, and more.